In this video, you'll learn how to find your Bitget wallet address. This process involves navigating through the Bitget platform and locating the necessary settings to retrieve your wallet address efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Bitget website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the Bitget homepage, which features various trading options and market information. Next, locate the section labeled Beyond Crypto on the homepage. You will find this option prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed further into the platform. After clicking, the interface will change to show various features related to cryptocurrency trading. After that, look for your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access your profile settings. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying several options related to your account management. Now, click on the settings option from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to the settings page, where you can configure various aspects of your account. Take a moment to review the available settings before moving on. Following this, find and click on the dashboard option within the settings menu. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your account information and transaction history. Ensure that the dashboard loads completely before proceeding to the next step. Once the dashboard is displayed, look for the withdrawal option, usually listed among various account functions. Clicking on withdrawal will take you to the withdrawal section where you will manage your withdrawal addresses. Next, in the withdrawal section, you will see an option labeled withdrawal address. Click on this to access your existing withdrawal addresses. After clicking, a new screen will appear showing your current address list. From here, click on the Manage Addresses option to view and modify your withdrawal addresses. This page will allow you to add new addresses or edit existing ones. Wait for the page to load completely for smooth navigation. After the addresses page is visible, again, click on Manage Addresses if prompted. This will bring you to the interface where you can oversee all your withdrawal addresses. Be patient as the system processes your request. Next, click on the on-chain address option to view the specific address used for on-chain transactions. This address is crucial for transferring funds to and from your wallet. Ensure it displays correctly before you proceed. Following this, locate the internal transfer address option and click on it. This address is used for internal transfers within the Bitget platform. Confirm that the address appears correctly on your screen. Now, click on Add Withdrawal Address to create a new withdrawal address. This feature allows you to add any address you wish to use for withdrawals. Wait for the form to appear before. After that, you will need to repeat the action by clicking Add Withdrawal Address once again. This might seem redundant, but it ensures the address is registered properly in the system. Allow time for the system to process this addition. Then, look for a message indicating that the internal address feature has been upgraded. This message informs you that newly added addresses now support transactions for all coins available on the platform. Read this carefully before proceeding. Next, click on Account Type to specify the type of account you're using. This selection can affect how your addresses function. Make sure to select the correct option before moving on. Continue by clicking on Account to confirm the specific account you want to use for transactions. This ensures that all withdrawals will be directed to the right wallet. Wait for the system to recognize your choice. Then, click on Notes to add any specific notes related to this address. This can be useful for tracking purposes. Make sure to fill this out if you want to remember the purpose of the address. Finally, click on Save to store your new wallet address settings. This action will confirm all your previous selections and ensure that your wallet address is active for transactions. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been saved. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.